As your career grows at Shell, you may begin to qualify for special benefits for higher earners. A really good example of this is the 80-point benefit restoration plan. Hi, my name is Brandon Young. I am a certified financial planner at Willis Johnson & Associates. So let me clarify. The 80-point pension is your monthly stream of income once you retire. It pays out during your lifetime, your significant other's lifetime. It's a defined benefit plan. Your 80-point BRP is an excess benefit plan. It pays out 90 days after you retire, and it's basically because you made too much money at Shell. Shell can no longer contribute to your Provident Fund. You can no longer contribute to your Provident Fund because you hit the IRS elected income limits that year. So those contributions flowed over into the BRP. So Shell's going to look at the things you would normally expect them to look at: your age, years of service, compensation. The wild card is that they're going to look at where the segment rates are to determine that BRP payout. Here is the formula that you can use to calculate the present value of your benefit restoration plan. If you don't have your financial calculator handy, this is something we can help you with. What the results tell you is that as interest rates go up, as those segment rates, as they go up, the value of your benefit restoration plan goes down, and vice versa. As interest rates go down, the value of your benefit restoration plan goes up. For those of you that are planning on retiring soon, Shell does a look back at the previous year's September rates. Those would be the ones that are most important to you. You can keep an eye on those rates yourself. You can go to the IRS website. You can just, in your search engine, type in segment rates. They should pull up right away. If you look here, we have kind of illustrated for you the September 2023 segment rates and then the newly released September 2024 segment rates. Here's an example: retirement at 60, 30 years of service. You'll see the pension income listed. We're going to compare November 2024 retirement versus a December 2024 retirement. Here's the difference. Significant. If you wait 1 month, if you wait and retire in December versus November, that is a significant amount of additional dollars paid out. Other thing to consider is, how's this now larger BRP payment going to impact my taxes? The BRP, these are pre-tax dollars. Those pre-tax dollars are taxed at ordinary income. The BRP pays out roughly 90 days after you retire. These are all pre-tax dollars. So if you do have the opportunity to push it into the next tax year, that does spread out those taxes a little bit more, meaning that you get to keep more of that BRP distribution in your pockets. If you like this video, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on social media. Thank you.